Hey guys, we're doing Elton John today. It's a live introduction of Levon from 1994 at the Greek. Look it up on YouTube, take a listen. Let's hear me play it right now. Levon wears his war boots like a crown. He calls his child Jesus. All right, guys, fun song, huh? I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to play music together, to encourage each other, and I want to invite you to come to my lessons that I have on the site. There are thousands of them, beginner, intermediate, advanced. And this is probably an intermediate lesson. It's really cool because it's a live version. You don't get this kind of stuff on the album version. And a lot of Elton's best stuff is during live performances. If you are a member of webpianoteacher.com, you can download this sheet so you can have for viewing on a monitor or just to print out, however you want to do that. But also, if you're not a member, you can still watch all my free part ones. There are thousands of them on the site. So come on over and join us, and let's get to learning together. All right, so we have this live intro. It's not very hard compared to what Elton does, but it has all those little elements that Elton does that make him sound like Elton John. Just a couple of notes, you just know it's him. Like when you do that chord, Levon wears his war boots like a crown. You have this transitional chord. That's just Elton. It's, stuff, all this. That's just sounds like him immediately. And those things aren't really hard to do. But all of those things are in this intro here, and it's not too hard to play, so it's a great introduction to Elton John music. And man, I think I have like 45 Elton John songs on the site now that I've done in the past 12 years, 13 years. So lots of Elton on there. But we're going to get started here. We're going to work on these first measure and a half here. The first part's kind of rubato tempo, and then we kind of get into a regular rhythm later on. But let's dive into it. So here we have at the beginning, F, B flat, and C. And by the way, if you're wondering about the rest of the song of Levon, I do have those lessons on the site already. I did those many years ago. This is just a live intro that you can put in front of that to make it even better. All right, so F, B flat, C, left hand, B flat on the left hand. We're just going to keep it simple here, okay? Sometimes playing less notes is more effective for setting the mood, what he's doing right here. He's playing and we're all listening, and we don't know what song he's doing until he gets into that rhythm and everybody starts clapping, right? So this is kind of just mysterious, setting the stage. F, B flat, C on the right, 1, 2, 3. Left hand on a B flat, and then an F. So kind of just wait a little bit. It's kind of like a breath. You just breathe out, and then the next breath. We have C, F, B flat, C with 1, 2, 4, 5. Left hand on a B flat. And then we resolve that to C, F, A, C, left hand on an A. So it's from the beginning. Bum, 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 bum. And there's the third thing. And if you're going along here and you find these are too difficult, you're having trouble, it's not your fault. You're just not ready for this yet if it's too hard. You need beginner lessons. My son calls them super beginner lessons. And I have super beginner lessons on webpianoteacher.com. And my all-new Easy Piano Lesson series, 50 lessons chock full of all kinds of information and fun songs to get you going if you don't know anything and you need to start from square one. Fill in your gaps maybe that you have in your learning. All right, F, C, E. Left hand goes to C, G. So from the beginning. All right, you see my pedal, how I'm doing my pedal there. If you can see the pedal on the video. I hold for those two things, and then pedal, 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 and then G, G, and then I'm going to have C and F together. The left hand will have a D and an A. And then we'll go to C, F, and A, F. All right? And then we kind of start a new thing there. So let's play all that and go. Now here we have C and F, left hand on a B flat and an F. Hear the openness of that sound? Elton does that a lot. We have the open fourth, open fifth in the left hand. You don't need a full chord. You know, sometimes this suffices. And it's more effective than more notes. B flat D, left hand on B flat F still. But that kind of goes with the next part. Dun, 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 dun. Okay? So it's B flat F, right hand B flat D. F, B flat F, left hand on the B flat. E, C, E, left hand on an A. C, G, C, left hand on an E. So we have. All right. So we can put that all together. Here we go. Guys, so that kind of gets you started on that live intro. I do teach the whole intro on webpianoteacher.com, and you have all the other lessons that I've done already for Levon, so you can play the whole song and print the sheets out for it too as well if you would like to have that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part 1, and I'll talk to you later.